I'm being targeted by a bunch of Reddit nerds. They wanna downvote my video and report me to the Mossad or some shit क्योंकि उन्हें मेरी last video का title and thumbnail पसंद नहीं आया. I made a video recently on how I am the biggest racist to ever exist in India. उस वीडियो में मैंने इंडिया का मजाक बनाया. I was homophobic, Islamophobic, a casteist, and I also revealed my ties to the Epstein files in that video. In that video, I also revealed how Netanyahu and me were spending the summer of 2020 cracking Mexican hers while the rest of the world died of a virus जो कि मेरा मुंह पी के ठीक हो सकता था, but I didn't reveal it. That is what this Reddit community believes I said in that video. Meanwhile, most of them never even watched that shit. Some of the top comments say, I mean, look at his hairline. He himself looks like one of those Discord mods of gooning server. Comment wasn't funny enough on its own, so he had to spawn this Discord kitten to validate his opinion. Yeah, suck more of those stinky nuts of his. Another intellectual said, anything which gets views. Haha. Yeah. I think that's the goal of doing YouTube in Big 26 to get views by any means possible. मैंने पहले ही बोला भाई, I hate triggered इंसान, you guys hate triggered इंसान, but I do not care about my hatred for him because he's making the bag and I am not. So many retard baseless comments जो खुल्ला मेरे को भड़वा बोल रहे without even explaining why. ये भड़वे को मत देखा करो भाई. मेरे को क्या पसंद नहीं आया? मेरा thumbnail, title or the video itself. You hated my shit so much कि you had to explicitly ask people to please sir इसका video मत देखो. तेरे को इस बात से दिक्कत है क्या कि people like the shit that I post, they like my humor and you're just feeling left out because you find it subjectively non-informative and false. Sounds like someone is trying to hide his own insecurities behind his Reddit avatar. To the normal people watching this video, अगर कभी तुम्हें दिक्कत होती हो ना या फिर you just want information on how a sore loser looks like or how delusional spoiled brads look like, just go through the comment section of this Reddit post. Simple. One of the users went like, downvote his video on YouTube. I'm going there. Downvote on YouTube. Yeah. Tell me you're 14, friendless, soft and soy without telling me that.
What is your name?
And he proved कि ये बंदा सिर्फ short term validation के लिए ये सब कर रहा था without actual hate in his heart क्योंकि someone pasted links in replies and instead of ignoring or just thanking them, he goes like, bro, I already gave the link, nah, stop stealing my 2-minute clout from me. My parents barely notice me and let alone love me. Please let me have all the Reddit glaze that I can in the small time that I have. He should report and email YouTube about this. Racist thumbnail shouldn't be accepted, sir. ये साला अपना अलग ही सनशाइन एंड रेनबोज वाली दुनिया में जी रहा है. Report a video on the basis of provocative title and thumbnail. Who's we? Who are you talking about? Who's we? तेरे को मैं ना specifically तेरे को YouTube policies के बारे में थोड़ा सा idea देता हूँ. This so-called intellectual loser struck my channel and YouTube registered the strike for something even they couldn't uphold for more than 10 days. And video वापस आ गई उसके बाद. ये बंदी मेरे को bro bitch बुलाती है अपनी 10 like वाली shorts पे. बोलती मैं तो इसको जानती भी नहीं, मैंने तो इसकी वीडियो देखी भी नहीं. अनपढ़, तूने बिना वीडियो देखे मेरी वीडियो पे स्ट्राइक मार दी. Yeah, फट्टू. And in times में Mr. No Formal thinks कि YouTube इनकी *4 की request validate करेगा. Yeah. Try to hop off my massive cock. There is a line forming behind you for the same shit. इस पोस्ट को तुम expand करोगे, तुम्हारा दिमाग फट जाएगा on how loveless some kids can be and how they have to rely on Reddit to seek validation. For the new people tuning into my channel, let me tell you something interesting. I am the kind of guy that said fuck it a long time ago. मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरे को कितने views आ रहे हैं. I do not give a fuck if English or niche content is chopping my chances in half to be mainstream. I make shit that I find funny. I don't care about niche topics. I just make whatever I find funny. एंड क्योंकि मेरे आधे सेटअप की कॉस्ट इस पूरे कमेंट सेक्शन की नेटवर्थ से भी ज्यादा है, people assume कि I am a million sub channel whenever they tune in, whenever they are new. Let me tell you something about bias on YouTube end. मैंने अभी कुछ दिन पहले ना YouTube को एक feedback mail किया था. Something that I found sinister about my channel or something that is happening to my channel. Day one, without even posting my stuff to my subscribers feed, my likes and views go exponentially great. And second day आते आते my videos dip. क्या लगता है लाइक्स, कमेंट्स और व्यूज को लेके? नहीं, एग्जिस्टिंग लाइक्स ऑन माय वीडियोस स्टार्ट डिसअपीयरिंग आउट ऑफ नोवेयर. एंड ऐसे 1-2 लाइक्स नहीं, 50, 60, 70 नेगेटिव में आउट ऑफ नोवेयर. Poof, gone. And guess YouTube ने इस रिपोर्ट का क्या किया?
I wipe my ass with your demand.
कुछ नहीं किया, बत्ती बना के चुटोड़ा में दे लिया. That's what they did. तुम्हें घंटा मेरे को रिपोर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है भाई. I'm already hated by my ops at the HQ itself. And I might sound heavily narcissistic and paranoid, but I have data backing my paranoia. That's why I reported it formally. वो time याद है जब Cory Genshin exposed a racist staff at YouTube that was selectively taking his video down while keeping the original source clip up?
I saw that all these other YouTubers were playing the mortuary assistant and only my video seemed to be age restricted. So I send the video to my YouTube rep. I say, hey, Markiplier has this situation in his video, but his isn't age restricted. What do you think happened after that? They came back and they removed my age restriction.
My audience constantly point out कि भाई तेरे views ऐसे drastically कम क्यों हो रहे हैं? मतलब there is something wrong. There is something wrong with your videos or channel. Guess what? It's not random. कोई भोसड़ी का sore loser at the HQ is trying to keep me in trenches by falsely flagging my videos regularly on date. And by trust me, I'm talking to you, the Mossad plant at the HQ. My will to become a millionaire or my will to become someone significant is stronger than my will to end my life, which is every day. So नहीं, Reddit वाला outrage लाड़ कुछ नहीं उखाड़ रहा मेरा, जो करना कर लो. And this brings me to the toxic Reddit community. Reddit mods and communities countless times have proved कि इनसे बड़ा narcissistic and jobless cult कहीं exist करता ही नहीं. Reddit mods believe that they should be treated like celebrities even though they were found defending a multi-million-dollar scam exposed to kids and adults alike.
To summarize, Reddit moderators should be treated like celebrities or influencers, not because they deserve respect or anything.
You just had to say, sorry, I fucked up and move on. And instead of doing that, he started banning all of his critics and also started bashing all of the YouTubers trying to point this out.
This Reddit mod is called Congress because he lost his job as a Reddit mod.
Nuking your already insignificant career. It's not even a career. What we normal humans call minor coochie farming. You can also refer to it as David Maxing and basement goon throttling. This subreddit, along with a lot of other popular subreddits, is again infested by these same goddamn narcissistic assholes that openly believe in harassing small YouTubers by mass disliking and reporting their videos in the name of Desh Ki Raksha or some shit. I don't know what they believe they're doing. You are insignificant losers. Karma gooning is another Reddit term. Do you guys not remember what happened to Pirate Software? This loser chud not only bashed Stop Killing Games movement but also refused to apologize when internet and the community sincerely proved him wrong.
That is a horrible goddamn direction. That's awful, dude. Eat my entire ass.
एक सिर्फ sorry बोलना था इसको and look where he is now. People started digging deep into his past and they found out some of the horrible rat shit that he has done to become somewhat desirable in the 14-year-old hacker communities on Discord, the hacker and coding communities that have no fucking clue what hacking or coding even means. Bit donation faking on Twitch, career faking, nepo kid farming, dad hating. This guy was the shit back then. People considered him to be the Jesus of Twitch and coding and other like technical streams. I feel like every other generic person online, इस Reddit के बंदों को भी relevance jerking की आदत है. I make a provocative thumbnail or title to obviously improve my CTR and all of a sudden I am #1 problem with India and Indian YouTube community. वहीं पे अगर मैं 1 million views के साथ इसी वीडियो में 2 homeless लोगों की लड़ाई करवा रहा होता ना boxing match in the middle of Sarojini, I would have been praised like Aiden Ross or some shit because I brought something new to India. These losers on this Reddit community are the kind of individuals that despise YouTubers and Twitch streamers that promote Stake or Rainbet, even though no bitch ass brand is willing to sponsor anyone outside of Saurav Joshi in India. तेरे को पता है gambling bad? मेरे को पता है gambling bad. Then what threat does this gambling ad pose to individuals that are watching this ad on a YouTuber's video? तेरी गांड इसलिए चल रही है ना कि YouTuber with a lot of numbers is making a lot of money promoting gambling apps while you sit like a generic chud in your mom's basement. I am against corruption as long as I'm not part of it. Looking ass. And I do not blame you guys because when I used to be younger, I used to do the same exact shit. That was my loser era. ठीक है? But as I grew older, I accepted it. I am 67 now. But bhai, I'm also concerned about Reddit people that are like this, like these losers, because you need to have a contrasting opinion in your life. You need to have an individual in your life that tells you that you are just being a loser. The person in front of you is just doing what everyone else would. You guys need to be told by probably a responsible adult. Otherwise, you'll continue circle jerking each other in these toxic communities. And then you'll grow old and turn into undesirable individuals in society. और फिर तुम इंसल बन जाओगे और लड़कियों को बोलना start कर दोगे just because you smell horrible and they don't want you. Improve. Become better. Okay? Everything will be alright. Just try. Bye.